Hello everyone, and today I got a second engine in the mail. This is Motorized All Engines Go Nia. Now she was supposed to come tomorrow, but she arrived a day early, and I'm not complaining. All Engines Go Nia is the 6th Motorized All Engines Go item I got, with the first 5 being Party Train Percy, Mighty Thomas, Fix 'em Up Friend Set, Deliver the Wind Diesel, and Motorized All Engines Go Diesel, the normal one. See, it comes with Nia, a purple well wagon with yellow and I think it's orange and black checker flags. I'm gonna go ahead and get Nia out of her box. Out comes Nia. And her well wagon. So here's Nia. She does look like to what she appeared in the show. And here's her well wagon with orange and black checkers. Or are they yellow? A nice piece of rolling stock. I'm going to go ahead and give her 2 AAA batteries. Sorry, just trying to keep her still. try again. Here's the motor, or in this case, a drive unit where the motor is stored. Let's see how she runs. It appears this wheel is acting wonky too. Okay, I think I got it in. A fantastic. The wheel is a little wobbly, but she's a pretty smooth runner. Anyways, that's about to do it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah. Until then, see you next time.